Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making king oyster mushroom stir-fried with sausage. It's colorful, savory, and incredibly easy to make. A perfect quick meal after a long day. Grab one king oyster mushroom like this and slice it into thick pieces first. Then stack a few slices together and cut them into matchstick thick strips, about the width of a chopstick. Now let's move on to the sausage. Sliced up just like the mushroom, thin strips. I've soaked about 14 grams of wood ear mushrooms. Let's slice them up too. I've already sliced up some green and red peppers. Here's all aromatics, just some chopped spring onion and garlic. Okay, let's start cooking. The water is heating up in the wok. Once it starts boiling, in go the king oyster mushrooms. I'm also adding about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. That really helps cut down the strong mushroomy smell. Once the water comes back to a boil, they are ready. Let's take them out and let them drain. Alright, heat up the wok. Once the oil is hot, let's get the bell pepper sticks, wood ear mushrooms, and the sausage in first. Just give it a quick stir. Okay, smells really good already. Now toss in the chopped spring onion and garlic. Keep stirring so they don't burn. The garlicky aroma is starting to come through. Here come the king oyster mushroom. Make sure they are drained well. Keep stir frying. Then add a tablespoon of cooking wine, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and just 0.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for color. A little oyster sauce too. Crank up the heat now. Give everything a nice toast so the mushrooms get evenly coated. Alright, time to season. Add a teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar. Then give everything a good toast to mix it all in. Now I'm adding about 150 milliliters of potato starch slurry. This gives the dish just a bit of sauce, and that sauce will be slightly thick, so it clings nicely to the dish. Right before we finish, just a drizzle of sesame oil to bring out the shine. Give it one last quick toast, and we are done. Oh, everything smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. Let me have a try. This is seriously tasty. The mushroom soaks up all that flavor, and the sausage gives it such a nice kick. You're gonna love it. This is one of those fast, easy, and affordable home dishes. Perfect after work. Just take 10 to 15 minutes. Try it at your home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.